my version of tosilog, fried rice, sunny upside, fried egg, and tomato, and also this flake fried chicken. So, and this is good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So, let's eat everyone. But this is already my brunch because 12 noon now. I-half-fry ko itong chicken. I removed from chicken curry yesterday, 1 piece of chicken. So, I make flakes. So, I fry for a while because this is already cooked. Silangga ang ingay. Hyper na naman. After I remove this chicken, now I will saute garlics for my fried rice. Then I will add also little bit cubes carrots. I don't have sweet peas, yung matter. So, ito lang yung aking ihalo, carrots, for my fried rice. Now let's add now this rice because yesterday I cooked rice, so I have extra. So I want to eat fried rice. Namiss ko kasi ang fried rice. Kasi minsan lang ako mag-almusal ng rice sa umaga. Because yung common dito ay yung paratha, pero I'm not eating paratha. Yung chapati. Yan, lagyan natin ng soy sauce. I fried also sunny upside fried egg. And this is already fried rice. So we'll turn off now the flame. Ayan, kain tayo ng fried rice na may cubes of carrots. And then ito yung chicken curry I removed. Then I make half fry. And this is sunny upside fried egg. So ito meron pang natira. Oh. Itong chicken, 1 piece. Tinanggal ko sa chicken curry. So na-miss ko ang ganitong breakfast. But this is already my brunch because 12 noon now. So kain tayo ng lunch. Ayan, kain tayo. Ayan, bagong Ayan, umuusok pa. Kain tayo. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sarap. Kailangan nito magkamay.